I recently got this beautiful cabinet and I am just in love with all of the details and the charm. It's such good quality. Let me show you closer. So this sideboard is one of those pieces that instantly makes a space feel more styled and intentional. The first thing I notice is the arched fluted detailing on the doors. It has that really nice texture and design that makes it feel a lot more high-end than a basic cabinet. The walnut finish is also really warm and versatile, so it works in a living room, kitchen, entryway, hallway, even a bathroom. It's one of those pieces that kind of blends in but still stands out in a good way. It sits on a sturdy metal base, which I really like because it lifts off the ground, and that not only gives you a little bit more modern look, but it also makes it robot vacuum friendly, which is honestly a big plus if you have one. You don't have to worry about dust building up underneath. And the doors have magnetic latches, so they close securely and stay shut without any hassle. And the adjustable feet are nice too, especially if your floors aren't perfectly even, so you can tweak it so it's level and stable. Inside, there's actually a really good amount of storage space. You can use it for anything from dishes and serving pieces like I've got here to books, decor, and even everyday items you just want to be tucked away. And it's definitely one of those versatile pieces that can adapt to whatever you need. Assembly was also pretty straightforward. The instructions are clear, everything is well packaged, and it arrives in really good condition. It didn't take forever to get put together either, which is always a win. Overall, it's a really nice mix of style and function. It looks elevated, has plenty of storage, and works in so many different spaces around the home.